It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all for this presentation on the Department of Information Technology and Mathematics of the SIA College of Higher Education. Larry Page says, especially in technology, we need revolutionary change, not incremental change. We strive to empower our students for this revolutionary change. Let's see the expression and impression about SIA.
Hi guys, myself Chaitanya Kulkarni from TYBSCIT. I am feeling very proud sharing my experience of 2 years of journey in SI Institute. Since I passed my junior college from the same college, I was little bit aware with the type of education this institute had served us. Still, I made a list of various well-known colleges in Mumbai and finally came to conclusion that SI was best among them. And being an IT student, I'm very happy to let you know that from the first year itself, students are getting opportunities to make their own projects. So that once you pass your TY, you are a complete package to join industries. And this is only possible because of our highly qualified teachers who support us throughout the year and amaze us with their new initiatives for interactive learning. So guys, I insist you to enroll yourselves in the SI College of Higher Education for a better future.
The department offers two programs, an undergraduate BSc IT and postgraduate MSc IT. The basic knowledge of IT is given to students in their first year. They learn programming languages like C, C++, PHP, HTML and MySQL and are introduced to concepts of operating system. Once they move on to second year, they have advanced programming languages like Java, Python, which are essential if they want to build a career as software developer or web developer. They also get to know about database management, computer graphics, computer network, and software engineering, which opens a wide window of opportunities such as database administrator, network administrator, etc. In the third year, they get specialized through subjects such as Internet of Things, Artificial Intelligence, Next Generation Technologies, Advanced Web Programming, Business Intelligence, Geographical Information System, Computer Security and Cyber Law, Linux Operating System, etc. These fields offer lucrative career opportunities such as data analyst, data scientist, IT security administrator, etc. with a wide scope for research. To successfully accomplish their 3-year program, we provide them innovative learning environment. The learning environment comprises of quality teaching by well-qualified and experienced faculties. They also adopt various ICT tools to explore and expand the domain knowledge of the subject. The faculties encourage experiential learning and motivate them to join value-added courses, short-term courses like PHP with MySQL, ASP.NET, Advanced Java, etc. Over and above, our college is also a local chapter with Swayam NPTEL, a joint initiative from IITs and IISc to offer online courses and certification for skill enhancement and placement opportunities. We also have an incubation center, the SII Tech Link, which involves the students and faculties to develop various projects as per the requirement of the industry and organization. This facilitates the student to have hands-on experience to get absorbed in the industry through placement. The success of the program depends upon the teaching techniques. We adopt a blend of conventional and technological teaching and also encourage classroom discussions, demonstrations, collaborative activities, brainstorming session, etc. The road to success is not easy to navigate, but with hard work, determination and passion, it is possible to achieve any dream. A dream called as SI TechLink made a humble beginning as Incubation Cum Research Center with its first industrial project for MS Firefly LED Products Private Limited, Vasai in 2015. The center has not only served as a software development hub, but from academic year 2016-17, it has started training sessions to enhance the programming skills of the student in languages such as PHP, .NET and Java. It is with great pride SI TechLink has taken to provide exposure to students for live projects after wholesome training. Successful implementation of 10 live projects and many under development shows that we are moving towards experiential learning, which is the need of the hour. Practical exposure to live projects through SIA TechLink has helped our students to get good placement opportunities in companies such as Accenture, TCS, L&T and Wipro to name a few. To develop such projects, infrastructure plays an important role. We have adequate infrastructure such as 3 computer labs with high configuration computers, 1 electronic lab, ICT enabled classrooms, online accessible library with latest collection, SIA Sports Academy, Gymkhana facilities, hygienic canteen, safe and clean environment. The Techno Club organizes various events like conferences, workshops, competitions, industry expert lectures, guest lectures at inter and intra-collegiate level. This provides a platform to develop various skills like teamwork, coordination, leadership and organizational ability. Apart from departmental activities, the students can participate in various cultural activities like sparklers and sports activities like dazzlers, etc. To develop social and community consciousness, they can enroll in DLLE, NSS, etc. The hard work and dedication of our teachers and students has led to our academic excellence. We are well ahead of university percentage and are also improving year by year. Our students are placed in reputed organizations like Capgemini, TCS, Infosys, L&T, Hapagloyd and many are pursuing their masters in our college and other reputed institutions like Vivekananda College, Symbiosis, etc. They also cleared state central level government examination and are pursuing their master degree at abroad. Let's hear the voices of ITNs of SIA.
Hello everyone, I am Samar Singh, currently working with a well-reputed company that is Capgemini as a software associate. I have done my bachelor's in information technology from the South Indian Association of Higher Education. As an alumni, I have been associated with this institute from last 3 years. What are some features about our college? I would like to talk about the SIA TechLink, which is an IQP center provided by our college. It is a platform where student can implement his own ideas or do college in-house projects, or he or she can be a part of external live projects. Apart from this all, our college has well-knowledge and experienced teaching staff. They always share their all experience and all teaching stuff with us, which makes a friendly environment in the campus. So all of this thing makes this institute, our institute, as a good growing and well learning hub. So I would request you all to go to our college official website and to gain more insights about it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ashar Gupta, a second year master student from the SR College of Higher Education. I have completed my bachelor's in information technology from this institute. So as a student, I have been associated with this college since last 4 years and I witnessed the consistent and the tangible growth of this institute. To highlight the few key points about our college, I would like to say about the SI Technique. Our college provides the incubation center for the student known as the SI Technique. This incubation center provides a platform for the student to build in-house project as well as the external organization projects. And our college has a very experienced and the knowledgeable teaching staff. So with the knowledgeable and experienced teaching staff and the friendly environment of this institute, this makes this place a very good learning hub. And I wish you all to go our college website and gain further insight about the organization. Thank you very much.
We welcome you all to be a part of this eventful journey and help us in changing the world with technology. Thank you.